Abnormal noises are a major concern for many car owners. However, the vast majority of these noises are not caused by defects in the coilover itself, but rather by negligence in crucial details during installation. When driving on bumpy roads, a continuous crisp click or clanging metallic knocking sound may be heard from the chassis. This is usually because the locking rings are not tightened properly, causing high-frequency vibrations during vehicle operation. Use two C-wrenches. Use one to hold the lower ring in place, and use the other to fully tighten the upper ring, ensuring that both are absolutely secure and there is no possibility of loosening. When rapidly driving over a large pothole or landing on a jump, if the preload is too low, the spring will momentarily disengage from the spring tray due to insufficient length, producing a loud metallic clanging sound. Reset the spring preload of the PF coilovers. A minimum preload of 15 to 20 millimeters is typically required to ensure the spring remains in contact with the tray at all times. When you lower the vehicle, the angle of the control arms changes. If these bushings are not reset, they will be subjected to stress. This torsional stress not only produces the squeaking noise, but also severely restricts normal suspension movement and causes premature bushing failure. Drive the vehicle onto a four-wheel alignment machine or a pit. Loosen all control arm bushing bolts related to chassis height. Gently rock the vehicle back and forth to release internal stress in the bushings at the new vehicle height. With the vehicle fully loaded, retighten all loosened bolts. Feel free to leave comments. In the next episode, I will discuss the significant impact of bushing reset on the vehicle. Fapomoto.